Welcome to Amazing Facts about Benzene. Benzene was first isolated by Michael Faraday in 1825 and its molecular structure was determined by Frederick August Kekulé in 1865. Different countries have different names for what is commonly known as gasoline in the United States. In the United States, Canada, Mexico, and South America, it is called gasoline. In Russia, Europe, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the Gulf countries, it is referred to as benzene. In the UK, Australia, South Africa, and India, it is known as petrol. In Mali, Niger, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, it is called essence. In Argentina, it goes by the name naphtha. Benzene is a special chemical with a ring shape made of 6 carbon atoms. It's an important type of molecule called an aromatic hydrocarbon. Benzene is a chemical that looks colorless or light yellow as a liquid at room temperature. It smells sweet and catches fire easily. Benzene turns into gas quickly and the gas is heavier than air, so it can sink into low areas. How can benzene affect my health? Breathing in a lot of benzene can cause headache, dizziness, sleepiness, confusion, and passing out. Swallowing a lot can make you vomit, hurt your stomach, feel very sleepy, have seizure, or die. Benzene is very stable because its electrons move around the ring, sharing space evenly, which makes it extra strong. Benzene has a boiling point of 80.1 degrees Celsius and a melting point of 5.5 degrees Celsius. Benzene is used to make things like plastics, resins, and synthetic fibers, which are important for many industries. Due to its high reactivity, benzene is often used as a solvent in chemical reactions, making it an essential tool for chemists. But benzene can cause cancer. Being around it for a long time can lead to serious health problems like leukemia.
Benzene is poorly soluble in water but highly soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether, and acetone.
When handling benzene, use proper personal protective equipment including gloves, goggles, and lab coats, and work in a well-ventilated area or fume hood.
Benzene has a high heat of combustion, which is a measure of the energy released when it is burned.
When using products that contain high level of benzene, such as paint, lacquer, varnish removers, industrial solvents, gasoline, glues, furniture wax, and detergents, it's important to take safety precautions to protect your health. Here are some tips.
Always use these products in a well-ventilated area. Open windows and doors to ensure fresh air circulation. Use fans to direct fumes outside. Wear gloves to protect your skin from direct contact. Use safety goggles to protect your eyes from splashes. Wear a mask or respirator designed to filter organic vapors to avoid inhaling benzene fumes.
Store these products in tightly sealed containers to prevent benzene vapors from escaping. Keep them in cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat sources.
Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use. Do not smoke or use open flames near these products, as benzene is highly flammable. Avoid prolonged exposure by taking regular breaks. Dispose of unused products and empty containers according to local hazardous waste disposal regulations. Do not pour benzene-containing products down the drain or into the trash. Clean up spills immediately using appropriate materials like absorbent pads or sand. Dispose of cleanup materials as hazardous waste.
Benzene is not a direct contributor to climate change. It significantly impacts air quality and human health through its role in forming ground-level ozone and particulate matter. Regulatory measures are essential to control its emission and protect public health and the environment. Governments worldwide are implementing stricter emission standards to combat air pollution and climate change. Benzene is a component of gasoline. As electric vehicles replace gasoline-powered vehicles, The demand for gasoline will decrease, leading to reduced benzene usage in fuels. The move towards electric vehicles represents a significant shift in the automotive industry. As EVs becomes more prevalent, the demand for gasoline and consequently benzene will decrease. This transition not only supports environmental goals but also addresses public health concerns associated with benzene exposure.